हेलो दोस्तों, दिस इज द थर्ड वीडियो ऑफ डिजाइन पैटर्न from tutorial set by NK Singh. In this video, we'll demonstrate the factory pattern as you uh, see in my second video, the concept of the factory pattern or definition of the factory pattern. So all the definition and concepts we implement in the C# programming language. First, we see what problem is and how problem is resolved by the factory pattern. So, as you see in my second video, if you don't view my second video, please go uh, to the second video. Till now, we brush up the concept. So, in a factory pattern, basically factory method pattern, we are trying to solve the problem of initiation of object and creation of object. So let's see. We have created a console application in C#. For this, you need a Visual Studio. If you don't have a Visual Studio, so please go and download from the Visual Studio from Microsoft uh, site, and it is available with the community version, which is totally free to use for the learning and some development purpose. It's not a commercial. So in this project, we have created two class. In this console application, we have created two class. One class is called city person and another class is called village person. Both class city person and village person have a method get name. Why have a method same get name? Cause I have implemented one interface, that is I person, with one method is get name, which return the string type value, and the both methods implement same the interface. So the interface is same interface is implemented in city person and same interface is implemented with the village person. So two classes that's implemented with the same interface I person and return uh, one methods get name and return some values. From village person it return a welcome to village person, from city person it return welcome to city person. That's a simple implementation. Now go to the main program. So main program, to use these two classes, we need to implement its object to call the get name method. So first create village person. So in a village persons, we need to create object of the village person, then call the get name method of the village persons. Similarly, in city persons, first create the city persons, then call the object get name and then print. Say in both class objects creations, responsibility is main method. In both, you have created a method in the main methods. So the responsibility of the object creations is only lie with this class. So let's say the C execute what happened. After executions, you got the messages from the one message from city person, one message from village persons. So let's see. Hello world, welcome to village person and welcome to city person. Okay. But problem is that the factory patterns say the initiation logic must be hide with the client. मीन्स जो इसे यूज करने वाला है, उस सब्जेक्ट को यूज करने वाला है, उससे उसका इनिशिएशन लॉजिक और क्रिएशन लॉजिक हाइड होना चाहिए. तो अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है, यहाँ दोनों ही मेथड का ऑब्जेक्ट्स हमने यहाँ न्यू ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करके इसी क्लास में बनाया है. तो ये प्रॉब्लम है कि ये हाइड नहीं हो सकता. सो इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम फैक्ट्री पैटर्न यूज करते हैं. लेट्स गो फॉर द फैक्ट्री. फॉर दिस पर्पस we implement one class that is called a factory class. We have create one class that is a factory class. In a factory class, we have created a class is a method get person, and this method return iPerson type interface. Why iPerson type interface? Because both of the class implement this object. So using this interface, you can access the object of both class. So दोनों ही क्लास इस इंटरफेस को इम्प्लीमेंट किया है. अगर इस इंटरफेस टाइप का ऑब्जेक्ट हम यहाँ से क्रिएट रिटर्न करते हैं तो वो एक्सेसिबल होगा. सो एक गेट फैक्ट्री मेथड में एक गेट पर्सन हमने क्लास मेथड बना लिया. साथ ही इसमें हमें कुछ पैरामीटर चाहिए जिसके बेस पे सब क्लास डिसाइड करेगा कि उसकी किसकी ऑब्जेक्ट बना के भेजना है. वो पैरामीटर बेसिकली हमने एक इनम बनाया है पर्सन टाइप का. किस तरह का पर्सन है, रूरल या अर्बन टाइप का है. उस इनम के बेस पे इनम की जो वैल्यू आती है उस वैल्यू के बेस पे हमारा फैक्ट्री डिसाइड करता है कि कौन सा क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट बनेगा. अगर रूलर आता है तो विलेजर पर्सन का ऑब्जेक्ट बनेगा. अगर पर्सन अर्बन आता है तो सिटी टाइप के पर्सन का ऑब्जेक्ट बनेगा. सो यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ फैक्ट्री का ऑब्जेक्ट बनाने की जरूरत है. फैक्ट्री का हमने ऑब्जेक्ट बना ली, फिर फैक्ट्री का मेथड कॉल किया और पर्सन का टाइप्स पास किए. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट हमारा गेट मेथड कॉल हो रहा है. मेथड हमें जो आई पर्सन टाइप की वेरिएबल है उसमें हमारे रिटर्न वैल्यू हमें उस टाइप के पर्सन के अनुसार मिल रहा है और उसकी मेथड कॉल हो रहा है. सो फैक्ट्री मेथड का हमने गेट पर्सन में R1 पास की. R1 पास किया, इट मींस इट्स रिटर्न द सिटी. It's return the city. Similarly, if you are pass ruler, it's return the object of the villager. Object of the villager. So this in this way we are hiding the creational logic of the object. So let's see after execution it give the same result or not. So basically according to the parameter passed, it gives the output. So this is the output of this same. So using basically we implement the interface and we implement a separate subclass like a factory subclass, and using these things we are able to achieve the hiding of user creation object creation and initiation logic from the client. That's all from this video. In next video we will discuss about abstract factory design pattern. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.